Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you how you can quickly and easily change out your fog lights on your 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra. This even applies to the Toyota Sequoia as well. And if you want to check out any of the links I provided down in the description below, I'll link all of the bulbs that I used to upgrade on my Tundra. I believe the headlight was a H1 model, and then the fog lights are 9145. So I'm changing out these fog lights here for LEDs since these burnt out. So I'm changing this out and replacing it with this. To remove this panel right here, you're just going to use a flathead screwdriver like this. And there are two of these little brackets that go in here. Just pop those out. There are two screws on the very bottom right over here. Right over here, it's hard to see it, but there's one here and one over there. Take those off, which these are these two screws right here. Just need a Phillips. And when you put this thing back together, which I already changed out the upgraded LED right back there, you're just going to slide this underneath the fender flare, and then this part that I'm holding right here tucks underneath it like this. Make sure that this is underneath here, and then you're just going to put your pieces back into here, whatever's left of it, or if you have a new one, just pop it into here just like so, and then put your screws in on the bottom. So one screw goes there, one screw goes there. That's it. So when you put the new one in, usually there is like a tab that's really skinny and then two bigger ones. You just stick it in there and match the pattern on the inside of that lamp, and you're basically just going to do like a quarter turn clockwise, so just like that. And then you're going to connect your cable back on here. Quick important side note, so if your fog light doesn't work, which happened to me, it's probably because you didn't match up the positive. See this positive and negative there? I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but you want to match that positive negative to your positive and negative terminals right here. Here's my H1 LED bulb replacement. Very straightforward. That one's blown and you stick it right in there. All right, so this is with the lights off, this is with the headlights on, and this is with the fog lights on. So this is before I did the LED modification or upgrade. These right now are halogen. It took about 30 minutes to basically install the LEDs and replace the halogens. This is with the headlight on, and it is super bright, and this is with the fog light on, even brighter. I'm also going to show you what it looked like before. It was like more yellow, uneven pattern. I had like a dark yellow pattern pointing that way. So this is before, you can see that hot spot to the left, and then this is after, you can see more even pattern and brighter. So these are my parking lights and headlights, fog lights, super bright. That's going to be it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.